Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kavela ya Motseba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikaselvukile bafethu at Katlego Mula Network bafethu. So today we decided to not to reopen but to open our own studio, which is Mula Studios, where we're gonna be indulging and talking about a craft. So today we are not rating with who's the best, who's not the best. We're just gonna talk about at the current moment, LP artist filayo and LP artist tandayo and why. So we are not gonna focus kuma piano kuphela. Sizokhuluma ngamapiano, sikhulume ngegqomo, sikhulume ngemaskandi, sikhulume ngama-actor nama-actresses, sikhulume ngama-dancer, nomaskandi, kwasani, wonke umuntu, nange-gospel.
Okay.
Sihlukile sengasonti. But then, we pray every time.
Uzoyisenteni kenye mean right?
Esontweni sama-Sunday. Siphambi kwabantu. Okay, so yeah. So we don't have the name of the channel yet, but then we'll be posting every week an episode where sikhetha three. Then umuntu uyakutshela ukuthi uthanda bani and why. It's not good who's the best or who's not the best. We are just at this moment. So ngabashaya nge-young intro yakho.
Sengiready, sengiready ngifuna ukubuza abanye
Okay.
because of but the thing is introduce I go by the name Asi Omhle Queen Zuri intombi nomxhosa ubhanqo omdumane ukhawuta ulanga, and I'm here at Katlego Mula Network noNtariana. Sithi Soweto Sigeto. Kasi yami Sigeto, Calvas.
Calvas.
Carltonville Sigeto.
Yeah, we need and the minute sikhulume nangamathi so Calvas kanti masiye.
Yeah, we have to. We have to.
Yeah,
there's a lot of talent kasi yami Shamarona like just that sikude.
Yeah.
I think that's why.
And in Nyawela. Like I feel like the government imele iyela yilungisa. Izinto ziyayo eCarltonville nekolo. Aye.
Yeah.
So let's get it.
Yeah,
ladies first, obvious.
Okay, so
Ntariana, I'm a gentleman, obvious. Ladies first.
Yes. Okay. Waiting with ngikubuza ngabe because of I know that laba because go angel and ngihlala ngibabona nawe. Yeah. Why uba stress? Ngivuna stress because ngithi izintwana zakho.
Okay, bafethu.
Ngazibe izintwana zakho.
Okay, bafethu, no cap ne. I'm not saying who's work or who's not work. It's just a question. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, ngizokhuluma ngabe because of currently I think ngaba certain aba relevant ngoku kulento yamapiano ne.
Yeah, nabanye ba relevant
na. Not ukuthi abanye bekho relevant.
Yeah, would love ba close now.
Yes, you get me. Yeah, but close now. So between bona, I don't know if it's gonna be hard now. Between bona be 3. So oqala it's Leme Crazy.
You.
Setril.
You.
Bano mwenye kanje Daliwonga.
We scam. Lo mntana scam.
Deep Truth must say one.
Okay.
They're close to you, so that's why when don't put in Flamiso by Intelula because of
No. It can't be an easy thing because
why?
These 3 people are my boys, ne?
Okay.
And I relate to music wabo, ne? I love their music. I love their growth. I love whatever they are doing. I just saw art cover Leme Crazy ngama grill. It's very dope. It's very nice. I'm just saw trail shooting something. No Marumba. It's nice. I saw Daliwonga getting a diesel deal from Ekasi to Paris to England. They were Machita so they are my boys. So this one Machita bafethu, please don't take it personal. Nithi angimthandi. It's for the moment.
Kahle baningi nje la engibaziyo la ekasi yakho Deep Blue.
Yeah.
Just that nje utheng name 3.
yeah
ngabe ngifake nabanye
abanye zibafana
Mara
next
ke.
time wangikhethile okay so between Taliwonga ne Setril Lime Crazy ne okay I'll go for Setril.
Why?
Ne, I'm not saying Taliwonga is work. Ne, I have him on WhatsApp. Is my boy, he knows. I have Lime Crazy on WhatsApp. Is my boy, he knows. I have Trill on WhatsApp. Is my boy, he knows. I'm saying this because umzwakhe ne, which is Setril.
Setril ngumzwakhe.
Igama lakhe umzwakhe. Lento andlule kuyo, into engidlule kuyo. Yabo ukuyaba nama hiccups through music journey yakhe whereby he had a fall off. Like he was on a peak ngabo Starwa abo John Wick, then then he had a fall off whereby abantu bamcriticize arojwa aba depressed kwaba nezinto ukuthi ushonile angashonanga. Yabo. So from langibuya khona nami
benikweliphi ilizwe
under the water
because I don't know.
Under the water. Then my boys kunezinto ezizikhulumayo behind the camera. Masihleli yabo. So from umuntu obuya phansi abamuwisile asukuma futhi he managed to buy a car, to buy a house, to build a studio, get more artists, put them in the studio.
So kahle music yabhadala ne nemali music ngokuya kwakho.
I don't know cause angazange yenze imali ngomusic. So
mara angithi laba close nawe obabonayo manje ukhuluma ngabo Lime Crazy.
I don't know.
Abo Setril babhayi izindlu.
I don't know if it's a loan or imali yamagigi or imali yani yabo. So that's their personal life of money yabo. So in terms of music I fuck with Setril because of ingoma le iqola. Qola inhliziyo mawungazi investa ka Setril athini baningi abangijikele ngithole bangifake ezintweni eziningi. Manje ngisikuphi ngisemgodini ngisekuthuneni mara akekho ongikhiphayo kodwa baningi engibasizayo mara ubani ongisizayo. So iwela
uyabheka vele life injalo.
Nami baningi engibasizile ukuthi bafike la bafika khona nginto zabo. Kodwa mangisemgodini ubani ongisizayo. Labantu laba bengicabanga ukuthi bayangisiza.
Labo basiza ngicabanga ukuthi bazakusiza wena.
Then ngaya kubanye abantu ngacabanga ukuthi bazongisiza kanti nabo bazongibetray. So I'm not saying Lime Crazy is work. I fuck with you my boy, you know you my boy. Wena you know you my boy. Dali you know you my boy. But then currently in relation to Setril because of the situation there was something that I was running then yaphelele emoyeni. Then I had to start from the ground to be here. So uSetril nami into efanayo but in different aspects. Yena musically mina podcast way yabona. Baningi abangijikele mina and baningi engibasizile kodwa mina mangisemgodini ubani ongisizayo. So that's why I fuck with Setril because of that joint. And big shout out to that and big SOS to that. And I love you three of my boys. I hope nothing but the best. Keep on pushing.
Ngathi ndikwenze lo umsebenzi lula ngokuchizisa abantu basekasi yakho because close kakhulu now so you say a lot ngabo than wena lawo zongichizela bona engabaziyo nami.
No, it's hard because imagine maybe ngathi khetha 3 of your best friends omuphi umthandayo. I understand.
Ngakho khonakala gore ube nama 3 best friends.
Okay. 3 asithi bangani bakho ke.
Uta choose.
Yabo. But then me I fuck with Setril. Currently.
No, I understand. Because of the situation.
Some situation A1. Depression was there. Losing hope was there, but we decided to bounce back.
But don't you think that laba abanye nabo bazifacile ezinye iy'nkinga mhlawumbe eziphansi ezafana nezo. Because this is music industry and you know mos.
But I think iphikhi yakalime crazy
Ulimi crazy sasemutsha.
udaliwe angazi igigaba ngaye. I-brand yakhe clean, sponsored by Diesel, making music, doing festivals. Yeah, he was doing endorsement. Angathula because yonke into inesizini, angithi kune-calendar. Maybe busy ngama-endorsement deals, busy ngama-tour, ethulile yabona. So you must give others a chance like abo youngstana. Yabo, so abanye bashine yabona like.
Ninike nama-chance kanti.
Kune-calendar.
We are working mos.
Yonke into ine-calendar.
Kumele nginike omunye umuntu i-chance.
Manje cabanga ulime crazy, usetrili, uyoungstana, uDaliwonga, uZinqumalo badropa same day. Shomamela abantu manje.
Kuzoba mnandi.
Azukukapana ngamabhodlela.
Phela uyabona ukuthi ubize ibhomo zodwa lapha.
Manje shomamela abantu.
Kuzoba mnandi. Somamela zonke baba. Phela ubumnandini.
Okay, abayizami. Soon in the anniversary benicela nizame. And shout out to Keeper Entertainment for taking Ulimi Crazy and putting him to the top. Taking Uskos Mapuma and putting him to the top. Because I know Ulimi Crazy from Mojaivane. I know Ulimi Crazy asesengama dreads and faith. Asathi makabuye showing asidlela ama noodles. Ngimazi like ngimazi alambile. Yeah, I understand. Ngimthatha sometimes. Ngimise istudio as a writer record angitshela mntwana wish to get a record label noma bani mina no ngafuna ukungisayina ngasayina. Umthandazo wakho ufezekile. That's why album lakhe athene intando kaGod. So intando kaNkulunkulu. uDaliwonga ngiyamazi from umjolo. Before he blew up, weza kimi before yogunda athi hey bro, I am blowing up and I don't know what's happening. Angathi intwana yami push uDaliwonga, now is nice yabo. Setril, I fuck with you because of Uxola, that song boy. Ungithachile ngakutexta nayo washo wathi boy shout out to that song boy. Danko.
Nama related to the song.
Yeah, baningi ntwana. Igame igcwele ngamamenemene number 1. Igame like live. Abantu okhule nabo. Nabantu bophana nabo before. Mase nifika ku limelight akusasa abangani bakho sekama rival wakho. So ungacabanga ukuthi bayakusiza. Kanti bafuna ukukumosha more. Kule situation enguyo manje. So jumping to you ke. Because it's all jumping to you ke then. As a female, as a vocalist, as a vocal coach. Yeah, but that's what you do. And you went to school for music. Yes, sir. So me, I am giving you Lababa is. I'm giving you Zinqumalo, Nkosazana daughter, Kamumpela.
Hey, nawe nginika abantu engiqonda ukuthi yazini ngiyabathanda. Ayayayaya, baze kwanzima. Wawunika labo bazi ukuthi vele ngiyabafatela.
Wena ngeba abangani bami.
Okay, fine. But nami kulaba bayi3 obabizile angisho ukuthi kunomuntu owork like bonke ba hot.
Yeah.
Ne, bonke ba hot. But why ngakhona ukuthi ngikhulume ngabo like individual other than like ukuthi ngikhetha wani.
Awukhetha one uzakhuluma ngabo individual. Ukhetha one then uyasitshela ukuthi why loyo one.
Okay. I'll have to go with Okamompela. Yes, why?
Why?
Okamompela is a performer. Not that ukuthi laba abanye bazo perform. Zinqumalo naye is a performer.
And a great one.
And a great one. Nkosazana daughter naye. You
Yeah, she's a
understand?
card puller.
Yeah. Mari ukamumphela.
Yo.
Yes, sis. Hayi shame.
Angazuzala ubani mntana.
Hayi.
Nami ngizokhetha yena.
Hayi, ngiyenza so ngithi salute. Le ntombazana lana yo.
Yes.
Hayi like yabona ngoyena umuntu engihalela ukuthi you know makuthiwa kune show yakhe or something like ngifuna ukuya and ngifuna ukuba lapha
front stage
phambili baba like yo eyakhe performance shame I don't wanna lie shame yo like umuntu ngithi ngimbukele lapha e-TV ni ngizwa ama goosebumps ibe ngathi nami ngajiva mara ngikwazi ukujiva ibe ngathi nami ngajiva like yo yabona futhi yabona le ngoma yakhe le yamanje le
dance challenge
yeah zonke izine dance challenge iyo kanye leyo yini ngenza ngikhohle nawe ke
akuvonywa
ipati ay lo challenge le dope
the image I even like the image obukhothana.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Ntariana lifestyle.
Shout out to music video yakhe.
Very dope. Music video.
She went all out, Shame girl. I don't wanna lie, Shame.
Yeah.
She went all out like yo ngicela ukubona music not Kabi. I'm not against abanye abantu music videos abanye abantu but yeah lapha nunkama mphela usebenzile uyabona the way bekenza ngakhona ukuthi outfit like choreography like everything like yo hayi shame hayi ungishaya ngaphakathi ngaphandle yazenzela mayekesho Ntariana
hayi nami yangishaya
hayi sizeke kwabanye ke angifuni ngingakhulumi ngabe because of ngiyabathanda labantu babize bonke laba i3
but shout out to Ukam
yeah
and shout out to Amos for writing the song you wrote you ghostwrote the song.
Oh, is it? I didn't know.
Yeah.
But I saw him to the music video. Nah.
Yeah, he ghostwrote.
Now I think he has a verse lapa.
Yeah.
Shout out man. Amos. Shout out Amos. Size kubani? Masithi
Zinqumalo.
Asena
samakhathalo. Ay
2000 bafethu.
Mala
Alifikile 2000. Ala revise shem. Ala revise. I saw ku TikTok bebe angazi if like it's something yakudala but bebe khuluma ukuthi this song ayenze ngikhohliwe this guy uthi ubani le mamas ngiyethanda the way like usample ingoma lapha like ithini konje usample enye ingoma but it's nice like she's creative shame girl like
nakulikompo
khona I saw that ukhona unengoma naboshebe shout out like
nolimi crazy unengoma noshebe.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
And shout out to Shebe Shitebito.
Katlego.
Yeah, bokatlego bonke bafethu.
Size ku Nkosazana.
Daughter.
Nkosazana daughter, the queen.
Bafethu.
I'm giving the crown.
Yeah, akusamele abe Nkosazana daughter, sekumele abe Nkosazana queen.
Oh, ne?
Yeah, cause daughter hayi.
Yeah, umdala manje. Like not good umdala like ukwenye level.
Kumele sithi zinqumalo daughter.
Yeah, oh, I get you. Yeah. True.
Yeah, cause uye mncane.
Nkosazana daughter usashaya namanje ngevoice yakhe unique for mina. Like uyohlala enguye for mina shame why.
Abe criticize ibody yakhe akuseni.
But itheni?
Bathu gene kakhulu and bona basilime kakhulu.
No, ngiyamfollow Nkosazana daughter iyajima like
right. Abantu bengena phi emabhodini waba. Wanthanda ukubolisha abantu.
Iyabhora lento le. Nakhona if unonile what if yena uyathanda ukunona so.
Ndoda
ungena phi emzimbeni womunye umuntu.
wena
Muhle.
wondile ke
Hayi mara ke masesithethe masize ebuhleni hayi muhle inkosazana Bethe.
ufana nomusic wakhe singakhuluma ngobuhle
No, like mina ngiyathanda ukuncoma abantu abahle mara muhle shame.
wena nami ngafakaza
Fakaza baby wami cause muhle.
ya yena muhle shame
Mara mina yimi muhle kakhulu.
ya
Why ukuthi ya kanjani?
manje bene ngithi ya kanjani ngize ngisukume ngishaya amathemba
Yeah, ubani umuntu wakho?
uwe
So, yimi omuhle kakhulu emehlweni akho.
manje phakathi kwapabi nokamompelo bano omrate kakhulu
Hayi kabi babi nawe ngiyakuthanda shame. Hayi naye ngiyamthanda ubabi because naye she's a performer naye like mayise stage
Babi
uyafi
Jo.
Babi Jo
Babi Jo.
Babi Jo
Ay.
ay
mara kumnandi South Africa
hayi khohlwa
kumnandi South
khohlwa
Africa
hayi kumnandi shame.
eNigeria bane sound eyi-1
Yeah, true.
that's why bakope South Africa eAmerica bane sound eyi-1 yabo bana 2 bana 2 as hip hop
Boy,
R&B yeah
mara izinokufana nezinye izinto zakho.
eSouth Africa siyakekenyoba
South Africa Maskande
kwasani so
gospel everything.
gospel uRebecca uyiphi enhleke
Mama Rebecca ukhona.
usesekhona mama Rebecca ayisawashaya amakhathi wakho these days dume wona kushawa
Dr. Rebecca ukhona kube kunenye ishow bebeyenza la nabo Khaya Mthetho SABC1 gospel competition yani.
size sayidaya ikhathi yakho mama Rebecca le khathi wayishaya singayicabanga besithi amaphoyisa
Into emdala.
sorry mama
Yeah,
So,
I think I'm done mina.
yeah.
Ngabantu
So
bami,
for
yeah.
you, it's Kamompela. For me, it's settled because
Yeah.
of the situation that I've faced. So we're gonna be back on the next episode. Every day we are dropping and like a kid, yeah. Yo. And
Why?
please, and please, Buffett, it's not the name of the show. With the
Yeah.
Then.
But how about singakhulumi nje only about music? Even if you can talk about izinto ezenzekayo like nje life nje.
Yeah, in general.
This is Faceayo as youth.
I think that's when we have it on YouTube.
We have it.
Yeah, so this one is for selecting. Okay, who's the best producer for you? Who's the best what for you? This is another content. Then there's a content where we talk about lives abantu.
No, not like life is
Not
about
like things that happen
things
in
that
general.
yeah,
like youth yethu erentayo.
Yeah, things like that.
Abantu abanemali abafihla abantwana babo beyidala. Yangithola. Abantu abanemali abafihla abantwana babo beyidalwa. Uyabona abantu abathwalayo izinto ezenzakalayo bethu abantu ababheka ama drugs mara bayazifihla bagcine bazihenge leyo ikhona ku Kasilivukile on YouTube. So this one is just for the
music.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's wrap it up here. So mina mfethu ngegama obvious uKatle Khontariana Mula aka Mr. Soto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. We're gonna be back again with 6 artist. Tomorrow we're rocking again. Danko is thank you. Ikasili
Vukile. One time kanako. Bathini? Kanako.
Mara ngiyamfuna ehotana. Shebe. Mapena nalwena ntshaka.
Mara kusho ukuthi ke angithi this one sizoyibiza ngegama layo. This.
Yeah, izoba negama layo.
So izoba negama layo. Masenza outro. We saying asithi Kasilivukile, we're gonna say what.
Amafana azositshela ukuthi
sithini. Yeah, mabese sitshela sithi peace out.
Stop audio.
Awuzweke.